Salam Alaikom wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, this Faith Buds platform was published to learn and teach kids and youngs about Islamic teachings from the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his household, peace be upon them. Faith Buds platform contains classroom courses system from many different teaching centers like Al-Amir Cultural Center of Holy Najaf in Republic of Iraq and Al-Sheikh Al-Mufid Center at Kingdom of Bahrain and more. So this is the application Faith Buds, which we need to sign up inside it to start learning and start studying the courses inside it about Holy Islam. So here at the setup, first time you will see the courses, the new courses in the front of the application, and you can choose what you need to learn and study about Shia and Holy Islam. So here's 4 languages, Arabic and Farsi, Persian, and English, French. So we have until now we have the courses by the Arabic language and the English language. So we have to sign up here, to press sign up under login button, sign up. Okay, after signing up, here we have to register our information. First name, we can say Abbas, last name Ali. Okay, email, any email, you can put your email here, and the name, any name, email like Garib 2121 as example 2121 hotmail.com. After that, the password 12345 Can you see the password? Any password you can put which you love, but the better to make it a good password or very strong password by uppercase letter and small case letter with number and punctuation. So now confirm password 12345. Okay, this is fun. Code, maybe you can put any code like Abbas, maybe any code for your username. Okay, and now click register. After clicking register, the internet is slow here in Iraq. After clicking register, the dear Abbas Ali, your personal setting have been registered. Okay, registered. We are registered now. So now we can go to the courses and choose any course. My courses, homepage, personal agenda, progress, social network, and so on. So we have to go to my courses. You will never find any course because you haven't registered to any course. Okay, course catalog, in inbox, compose, pending invitations, personal data, edit, all of that, certificates, skills, and so on. You can see here everything. But if we go to the home page, we will find the courses here. Okay, most of them are Arabic, but there are some English courses here, or you can talk to online to the management or to the office and ask them about English courses, and they will register you to the courses of English language. Okay, so you can subscribe to any course you like to register. Okay, and now you can see the chat button under the page and go to any course to make your subscription to it. Okay, catalogs overview, no, we don't need that. We need this Abbas Ali, inbox, my certificates, and log on. Look, there's your account here. Okay, and now we have to choose our courses at homepage. Okay, you can see that the internet is very slow. Sorry for that. This is an English course, Abolition with syllabus. Okay, so we can go to the page. Here's the chat, disconnected chat under the interface of this application. Okay, we can find now the course of Abolition with syllabus. This is from Al-Mufid Center, Sheikh Al-Mufid Center from Kingdom of Bahrain. So subscribe to this course. If you subscribed here, subscribe to this course, and we will see the options to begin learning and begin. Okay, brothers, inside this course we can find agenda and documents. This is the documents. If we click it, it will take us to the page of the some tools for this course. This is English, the PDF document for about this course or course book. Okay, and it contains the book of the course. You can save it by the floppy disk image or put it inside your bag. At the bag you can search inside it, and you can read it online by these Windows icons. So this is the document of the course. Okay, and this is Taklif syllabus. You can see it inside this courses about Taklif. Okay, Taklif syllabus is for adults to know about their what they have to do by ibadah or by the teaching of Islam. Okay, and this is learning path, links, tests. If he go inside here and make some tests, he will have some marks about that. The Dropbox also here, and users, you can make a group, you can make a chat with your student or with your brothers who are with you, who subscribed with you in this class. Okay, and so on. This is wiki, glossary, dictionary, everything are here with a notebook to make your class. And now you have a message here, Abbas Ali Garib, you have been registered to course Taklif syllabus. Okay, this Taklif is from Sheikh Al-Mufid Center in Bahrain. Okay, we can see many things inside this application, and we can chat with the office by the chat button at the end of this one chat. If anyone online, you can talk to him or your friend and so on here and make your chatting here. So thank you for listening and for subscribing inside this platform, and we hope to put more courses and spread and publish all Ahlul Bayt teachings in the world by this platform. And thank you very much.